Attention, did you know? Over 70% of seniors after 60 suffer gradual muscle weakness, even if they eat regularly. Many think it's only age or lack of movement. But a recent Indian study completely changed that view. The study proved something surprising. The real problem isn't age alone. It's tiny details in our diet and daily habits we ignore, details that directly control our body strength. Imagine this, only 3 foods. Yes, just 3 simple foods could be the key to rebuild muscles and regain energy and strength. And the best part? You don't need expensive medicines or artificial supplements or hours of exhausting exercise. Just knowing these foods and how to eat them with a few simple daily habits is enough. But before we reveal them, let's take a step back and ask a question. Why do our bodies weaken as we age? After 60, is it natural and inevitable? The truth, my friends, is clear. Muscle weakness isn't unavoidable. It's the result of years of missing key nutrients and unhealthy daily habits. In other words, we ourselves, without realizing, contribute to weakening our muscles. Take this habit, for example. How often do you start your day with tea or coffee and a small cake? It seems simple and normal. But if this continues daily, without adding certain nutrients, your body misses the building blocks it needs to rebuild muscles. The result? Faster fatigue, slower movement, joint pain, and difficulty doing daily activities. And here lies the danger. This weakness doesn't appear suddenly. It sneaks in gradually. You start noticing changes. Stairs feel harder to climb, carrying things tires you quickly, long walks become exhausting. These signs aren't random. They are clear signals. Your muscles lack proper support from nutrition and routine. The good news is, science now gives practical solutions. A recent Indian study watched a group of seniors carefully. Adding specific foods with small daily routine changes led to amazing results. More physical strength, higher energy levels, less fatigue and tiredness. This means hope exists, and the solution is near. Closer than you imagine. But wait, let me explain. Not all healthy foods help if eaten wrongly or too much. Some foods we think are good may even harm if misused. So in this video, I won't just list foods. I'll show how to use them practically and easily with small tips that have huge impact. To make it even better, I'll share simple daily tricks, small steps you can add without effort at all. But they multiply results and speed up progress. Imagine, after just weeks, you can walk lightly again, carry things easily, and enjoy energy you haven't felt for years. This isn't fantasy. Science proves it. Thousands around the world tried it. But let's agree on something. If you truly care about health, press subscribe now and turn on notifications, because we share practical content to help you live stronger and more comfortably after 60. Also, leave a like. It encourages us to keep improving content. Stay with me till the end. The 3 foods I reveal may be in your kitchen now, but the real difference is how you use them. Plus, I'll give a small plan of daily habits to rebuild your muscles quickly without extra effort. Remember, muscle weakness isn't fate. It's your body saying, "Give me what I need, and I'll come back stronger." Stay with me because in a few moments we'll reveal the secret, step by step, and you'll be amazed at how simple the solution is. Maybe it was in front of you all along. Muscle weakness isn't your fate. Strength starts from your plate. Your body needs protein daily. An Indian study confirms this. 73% of seniors have serious protein deficiency. This lack weakens muscles and raises the risk of falls and injuries. Protein is the secret of strength. The simplest source is milk. Milk is a complete natural food. It contains high-quality protein, provides essential amino acids, builds muscles, and protects bones. A 2021 study showed that 2 cups of milk daily for seniors increased muscle mass by 18% and improved balance too. But watch how you use it. Not all milk is suitable. Avoid full-fat milk. It raises bad cholesterol. Choose low-fat milk or fortified plant-based milk like almond or soy. They are also rich in calcium. The best time to drink milk is right after breakfast to supply protein early and another time before sleep. It helps relaxation and improves deep sleep quality. Good sleep rebuilds muscles. A Cambridge University study showed that milk before bed improves muscle recovery by 20%. Never add sugar. Sugar weakens protein absorption and increases harmful weight gain. You can add light cinnamon or natural golden turmeric. These enhance benefits and protect from internal inflammation. Those with lactose intolerance can choose lactose-free milk or fortified plant-based alternatives. The key is consistency daily. 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup in the evening, maintains muscle strength and reduces osteoporosis risk after 60. But don't overdo it. 2 cups daily are enough. Too much strains the kidneys, especially as we age. Milk isn't just a drink. It's a tool to regain strength. The secret is regularity and balance, not random excess. Make milk a habit, a small daily routine, but the results are huge and you'll feel it fast in energy and vitality. Wait a little, don't go. The second food is different. Full of amazing health surprises, it will impress you more than you can imagine. Attention! The second secret is surprising. A simple food, huge power, found in almost every home. Cheap, yet highly beneficial. It's lentils, king of legumes. Often forgotten by many, yet a true health treasure. Very rich in plant protein, a complete, high-quality protein containing essential amino acids. It builds muscles and protects them. A 2020 Indian study followed 1,200 seniors. Eating lentils 3 times weekly improved muscle strength by 22% and reduced daily fatigue noticeably. Legumes are also rich in iron. Iron prevents anemia. Anemia weakens energy and increases constant tiredness. Lentils are also rich in magnesium, zinc, and vitamins, all essential for muscle health. A Harvard University study showed that seniors who added legumes became more active daily, and falls decreased by 28%. How you use it matters, not just quick cooking. Soak lentils before cooking for better digestion, and cook with olive oil to absorb nutrients more effectively. Avoid too much salt. Salt strains blood pressure. You can add natural turmeric. It's a strong anti-inflammatory and improves iron absorption in lentils. Eat lentils with vegetables, like spinach or fresh tomatoes, to increase natural vitamin C. This improves iron absorption. Best time to eat, lunch. Provides energy and keeps you full. But don't overeat. 1 cooked cup is enough. Too much may upset your stomach. For those with gas issues, add ground cumin. It aids digestion quickly. Lentils aren't the only good legume. Chickpeas, beans, and fava are great too, but lentils have more protein, are easier to digest, and quick to prepare. Make lentils a weekly habit, 2 to 3 dishes per week. You'll notice amazing energy changes and less daily fatigue. Plus, you'll maintain muscle strength easily. Wait a little, don't leave yet. The third food hides the biggest secret with even more amazing benefits. It may be the most important yet. Now we reach the biggest secret. The third food. Superpower. Not medicine, but very strong. Fatty fish like salmon. Also sardines and healthy mackerel. These fish are rich in omega-3. Omega-3 feeds your muscles, fights inflammation inside the body, and improves muscle tissue building. A 2019 U.S. study included 2,600 seniors. Eating fish just twice weekly raised muscle strength by 25% and reduced chronic joint pain. Fish is also a source of high-quality protein, easily absorbed by the body and rebuilds damaged fibers. An Oxford University study showed that omega-3 improves muscle efficiency and enhances functional balance. Doctors worldwide recommend adding fish to your weekly diet. But pay attention to the method. Never fry fish. Frying destroys fatty acids and adds harmful body fats. The best method, grill fish or lightly steam it. Add olive oil to boost nutrient absorption. You can add fresh lemon, rich in vitamin C, which helps absorb iron and protein. To increase benefits even more, eat fish with leafy greens, like spinach or fresh arugula. They provide antioxidants and protect against muscle fatigue. Don't overeat daily. 2 or 3 times weekly is enough. Excess can strain kidneys and increase mercury risk, especially with large fish like tuna or shark. Choose smaller fish instead. Sardines, mackerel, salmon, safer and more beneficial. A recent Indian study showed that seniors who ate fish 3 times weekly improved memory by 30% and gained stronger functional muscles. They felt lighter and moved more easily. This is exactly what we need in the years after 60. Make fish a weekly habit. 2 or 3 times is enough. You'll notice the difference in weeks. Better energy, stronger muscles, and continuous daily activity and vitality. Don't leave now, wait a little. Simple daily tricks are coming soon. They will multiply food benefits and speed up your results. Stay with me till the end. You'll be amazed. Congratulations, you reached the end. Now you know the 3 secrets that build muscles and increase strength: milk, lentils, and fatty fish. All simple, easy to find foods, yet their results are amazing with consistency. Remember, the secret isn't just the foods. It's the right way to use them daily, along with the small habits I mentioned. Change requires patience and consistency. 1 or 2 weeks and you'll notice a difference. After a month, real vitality returns. Your muscles will grow stronger gradually. Energy will return to your body. Movement will improve noticeably. Fatigue will reduce significantly. Even daily life becomes easier. Climbing stairs becomes simple, carrying things without struggle. But I want to remind you of something important. This information is general and simplified, based on reliable scientific studies. Always consult your doctor before making changes, especially if you have chronic conditions or take medications affecting nutrition. Your safety and health come first. If you like today's information, press the like button to support us and subscribe to get new updates. The channel always shares practical science, helping seniors live stronger, more active lives. Don't forget to follow these tips daily. Apply them gradually and correctly. Big changes start with small steps. Don't expect instant results. Just persist and you'll notice the difference in weeks. Also, share the video with loved ones. This change could start a better life for a senior friend or family member, so everyone benefits from these tips. Remember, sticking to the right routine with these foods and daily tricks keeps your muscles strong and healthy and boosts energy and vitality continuously. Finally, don't forget, muscle weakness isn't unavoidable. It can be overcome with simple steps. But in special or complex health cases, consulting a doctor is essential. Your safety is always more important than advice. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more practical tips for seniors. Maintain a daily healthy habit to live a stronger, more active life. Thank you for following till the end. These were practical steps to build muscles: milk, lentils, fatty fish with simple, safe daily tricks. Start today and you'll notice the difference.